Hi guys, Drewy8897 here. I'm going to be doing a Q&A session tomorrow, trying to get at least something on my channel besides the video I posted sometime last week, I believe. But anyway, instead of streaming that Q&A session from my laptop, we're going to be doing a Q&A session while playing PC Building Simulator from this. Yeah. I'll be streaming from this tomorrow for my Q&A session while playing PC Building Simulator on it. So, yeah, come by, ask a question, hopefully it'll get answered. I'm going to try to do it in my normal 2-hour window, so I'm inviting everybody. We'll start at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and hope to see you there. Bye.